Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we got a present from Old Man Winter. Here is the driveway. Tara came out here a little earlier, snow blew the area to the animals, and now she's working on the parking area. So, it's time for me to suit up and head out and relieve her. All right, time to go. Well, I got about, 10 minutes, 15 minutes into it, and this little guy here decided that the transmission would go on it and the auger no longer turns. So, what does that mean? Means I have to do it by hand, which I've already started. So I figured, I don't know, have a little bit of fun with it, and I'll go through the camera out there and do a little bit of time lapse. So I have worked my way, I don't know, let's see here. Tara managed to get some of the driveway snow blowed. You can see she's out at the animals shoveling away out there. So on the 27th of January, we managed to break out of our driveway and get clear to go into the city. So this is the snowblower here, and this little guy down here has some gears in it, and it's turning freely, which it shouldn't be because that gear is gone. So we had gone and picked up a new one, which is this guy here, which is a 24-inch blower, and is a nice little unit, so works well. So we're quite enjoying it. So now we just have a little bit of cleaning up to do. We have some of the paths that need to be finished up and cleared out, so we'll do that probably tonight. I think Tara's going to come out and she wants to do a little run over in the animal area. And as you can see here, it's nice and clean, nice sharp edges, and looks good. So we'll go out and we'll check out the animals, see what's going on. Here we are. Here's Carl and Blackie and Velvet. What's up, Velvet? And the three other girls. Snow Patches and Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. Where are the alpacas? It's awfully dark in here, Barry. Hi, Barry. Hi, Rico. Can barely even see you, Rico. Just your teeth. Hey, what are you guys doing hanging out inside? Why don't you come out? Yeah, they're in the building. So if you remember from last week, we had done the freezing water, the salt water which didn't quite work out too well. There was a comment made about possibly having, because it was in a sheltered area, having it out in the open area where the animals could drink from it and they'd knock the bottles around, maybe out in the wind, and the wind would move the bottles around. That would probably help, but I think inevitably it would freeze. So, what are you doing rubbing on me, bud? Hey? He's so friendly. Such a friendly boy. So, hey, Snow. So, of course, the water, this is what we have here. Just wired up, an electric water for these guys out here. Low enough for the pigs to get in, and high enough that it's going to hold enough water. So this area here, you can see where it was snowblowed. From the gate, it needs to come out and over onto the pond, and then we'll clear off the pond. And then it'll come back around to over in that area. But you can just see how high the snowbanks are here, where we're piling everything up. Here's a good example of the amount of snow we got on Boxing Day. What are you guys talking about? Well, it's almost 4:30, and that is the time the sun sets. So as you can see here, the day is drawing to a close. But the good news is, it is the 28th of December, and it means the days are getting longer. So that's something to look forward to for spring. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments or questions, please let me know, and we'll see you next time. Happy New Year. Take care.